Hey, what's up? Long time no see, and today I want to talk about this nice little lens here. This is the Samyang 75 1.8 for Fuji Mount X. It is adorable, it is nice, lightweight, and optically really great. And that's basically it. That's all I have to say about this lens. I got this nice little X-E3 and right now I have the 23mm on. I have this brand new, basically. It's a used lens, got it from MPB of course. But the idea behind this nice little camera here is, this is my fun everyday camera, so to speak, that I take with me everywhere. And basically my thought is to get small, lightweight lenses in a focal length that I don't have for my A7S or A7R Mark III. So yeah, this is basically my favorite lens, and look how tiny it is. On this body, on this camera body, it makes sense. I mean, there's a Viltrox lens, 75 1.4 actually, and that is optically also quite nice, and with 1.4 and being 75, really amazing for a APS-C crop sensor. But the issue is there, it is really big, heavy, and price-wise, July 2023, it is, the Viltrox is 600 euros and the Samyang is 480. So quite a bit cheaper. And I think in terms of overall, in terms of sharpness, bokeh, look, color, reproduction, size, weight, price, this is the clear winner for me at least. Autofocus really works well on this camera body. I mean, there is this M1, M2 switch, which you could customize, but not on this camera because this is the older X-E3. But I will get another Fuji camera maybe, and I will test the button there, but I didn't really need it. There's no f-stop ring here. That might be an issue for some Fuji shooters because they are used to that, but I really don't mind. I have it wide open anyways. I rarely stop lenses down, only if I really need to, and so I don't miss that. And then again, it comes down to the size of this lens, and for this camera body, this lens makes sense. The Viltrox is too big. So anyways, yeah, this was just a quick one. You saw a few shots here and there. I really like that behind the scenes photos, like the performance of the camera, but this lens is optically really nice and a unique focal length as well. 75mm on APS-C is like 105, 120, 135, right between there. So it is a unique focal length. It's not too tight like a 135 would be, but it's not as wide as a 85. And yeah, might not be as optically stunning like the Viltrox, but in terms of sharpness, it is right there. It is the same. It just doesn't get as smooth and bokeh-licious like the Viltrox. But other than that, it is, yeah, it is nice. Because of the size, the price, and the weight. Anyways, enough about this lens. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this lens or any tips what lens I should test as well for the Fuji mount for my little camera here, let me know in the comments, and also stay tuned. I will get another Fuji camera and I will test it for video maybe, and let's see how this turns out. Because the A6700 was just announced, and for my taste it's a little bit underwhelming, and yeah, Fuji really does do better in terms of APS-C sensors and cameras. So we will see. Anyways, see you in the next one. Back to work.